Hello Adam, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2017 Yamaha YZFR6, which has no kilometers on it because it's never been registered to a person and never been on the road.
Here, look at the tires here.
This motorcycle will be sold as used because it was registered to a dealer and it's now registered to our name. But again, condition wise, it's in a brand new condition. So it's 017. Here's the VIN number if you need it for insurance to get some quotes. High vis, yellow rims, all the LED lights in the front, the signal lights built in the mirrors as there are one, the spoiler tail on it. It has a traction control, has an ABS, and has the riding modes as well. And this motorcycle is a quick shifter ready. It's just a plug and play. The front suspension is a 43mm KYB fully adjustable forks, and the bike is here. It's available. I have only one like this. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you, or just reply to my email back. Thank you.